Hello class 10. Today I am explaining you the string programs. In this program we will print the string in reverse order. So write a program to accept a string as a sentence. Display the new string after reversing the characters of each word. Our string is New Delhi is the capital of India, and we will print this new. It will print WEN, means it will print in reverse order. First we will give the name of a program to reverse the string. Now first line, now give the class name reverse char, public static void main string args, then scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line are same. Now in int I will take I told you that earlier, I for loop and L for length of the string, means how many characters are in the string. Now we will take string str. Str is, this is the str which we will enter. str1, that will the string, and str2, it will become reverse. Then char, character, then character1, it will become new character. Now first we will enter the string. System out println enter a string. Then we will define the data type. The data type of string is str is equal to in dot next line. Now we will write str is equal to str plus. This is the fill in the, this is the blank space. Then we will write the length of the string. L is equal to str dot length. Then we will write the loop, because we will start from 0 to till L. Start from 0 till L and I plus plus. Curly bracket start. Now we will find the character. Character from string caret I loop will be started from here, so that character will be find from this loop. Now we will write the condition. If char equal blank space, curly bracket start, then str2, new string became str2 plus, we don't know about the str2 because we have given blank here, so that str2 plus blank plus str1, this is also blank, we don't know about str1. Now str1 is blank. Then we will, this is the condition and this is a string which will come after converting. Then curly bracket else. If this condition will not follow, then str1 is equal to char plus str1, then it will be do. First this condition will check. If this condition will not follow, then it will go in this else, means otherwise go to check this condition. If now curly bracket close, because we have opened 2 times here, so that we have closed 2 times. This will close here and this will close here. Now system out println new string after reversing, that will the string str2, so that we will print this string here str2. We have opened 1 curly bracket here and 1 curly bracket here, so that 2 curly bracket are here, so that we will close 2 times curly bracket are here. Now we will do that program on BlueJ. I will explain you over there. We will write the coding in BlueJ. We will I have written coding, so open editor. Here I have written all the coding which we have written in copies. So that coding we will start to write. Then first we will write class name, then public static, scanner in, this is the integer, I for loop, L for length, str, enter string, str1 new string and str2 after changing the case of the string, reversing the string, sorry. Then we will write the coding. After this, class save, compile, class compile, no syntax error, then close. Now reverse case, okay, clear. Here we will write the string. Suppose I have written New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Now this is the string and this is the reverse string. Then clear this, close this. Now I am explaining you second program. Write a program to accept a string. Print the string in alphabetically order of its letter. Suppose the string is computer, then it will print in alphabetical order. In here C is first coming in alphabet wise, so that C, after that E, then in alphabetically order it will be print. First we will write to print the string in alphabetically order. Import Java, give the class name alphabet. Same, this is strings argument, and this is the scanner class to give the input. Then in int I will take I and first loop and J for second loop, because second loop is also there, and L for length. String str only, char chr. System out println, enter a string, then we will write the data type. Now this is the length of the string. Now first we will the system out println the letter arranged in alphabetically order, so that we will write the first loop alphabetically order. Alphabetically order we will start from ASCII code we are using in this. So I started from 65. 65 means it is the value of capital A in ASCII code, so that we will start from 65 and I less than 90. 90 is the capital Z value in ASCII code I++. Now curly bracket start for J. This is arranging the alphabetically order, and this is for looping. Print the character. J started from 0 and J less than equal to L J++. Curly bracket start. Now chr str, it will find the character from string and from J loop, not I loop. It will, because I loop I using for alphabetically order, and J are arranging the characters, taking the characters from there. If now we will write the condition. If char chr equal char I, or this is the or char I plus 32, because 32 characters are only here, so that we are taking 32. Curly bracket start, system out println the print the chr value. Only chr will print the, because chr will change the characters, so that chr will print. Now 1 2 3 4 5, we have closed 5 times over here. 1 2 3 4, I will close one more time here. 5. Okay, now I will explain you that program by using BlueJ. Now I am explaining program number 3. Write a program in Java to accept a word and check whether the word is palindrome or not. First I am explaining you the palindrome. What is palindrome number? Palindrome number is that number when we are writing that number from reverse side, that will be the same with the original number. Like madam, M-A-D-A-M. If I am starting from here M-A-D-A-M, that will also be the madam. Dad, D-A-D, dad is also a palindrome number. Mom, M-O-M, mom is also a palindrome number. So that this is the program to check a word is palindrome or not. First we will write the message, then first line, class name palindrome, curly bracket start, public static void main string args, curly bracket start, scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. Now int I and L, I for loop, L for length. String word, because we are not entering a string, we are entering a word, so that we are taking word. Word, this is the word and this is the palindrome word. Word 1. Char chr, system out println, enter a word. Now word data type. Then we will find the length of that word. Then loop. I started from 1. I started from L. This is L because this is the length, and I greater than and equal to 0 because it will decreasing the number, so that I minus decrement is going on there. Because now we are taking one character here, so that it is checking. Char word caret I. Word 1 is equal to word 1 plus CHR. Now this bracket will be closed here. Now this is the condition. If word dot equals word 1. If word which we have entered and word 1 which we have changing, both are equal, then print the message palindrome. Otherwise print the message not a palindrome. If this is not equal, then print that this message not a palindrome. If this is equal, then print the message palindrome. Now I will explain this program using the BlueJ screen. Next program, palindrome. Open editor. Here I have written all the coding of related to the program. In this we have taken word. We have not taken a string. We have taken a word. Then enter a word. Then data type of word. Then we will find the length of the word. Then loop will be started from L. L greater than and equal to 0. I minus minus, because string is taking out the characters, so that it will be going on minus minus. It is decrement, not increment, because it is taking out the characters. So that character is equal to word dot caret I, word 1 plus char, then curly bracket. If word equals to word 1, then palindrome, otherwise not a palindrome. Class, save, no syntax error, no changes need to be saved. Then compile, no syntax error is here. Now enter a word. Suppose I have entered madam, M-A-D-A-M. And it will show the